Hello Coaster Crew, today we are at Hersheypark with another Laff Trakk update. Let's zoom in to the employee parking lot and you can see that black coaster track has arrived. So that's an update. And then also something new is we have wall panels starting to go up. And you can see they added another roof on the side there. We're thinking that is the transfer track for the extra coaster cars. That's where they're going to be housed. And I'll give you another look at the coaster track. Okay, it's windy, as it always is, up here on the hill, so I apologize if there's wind noise. And that about does it for this update. We're getting excited for Laff Trakk to open. And stay tuned for another update soon. Thanks for watching.